Contractors play a vital role in meeting the needs of their clients, and understanding professional etiquette is essential for ensuring exceptional customer service. By mastering the do's and don'ts of the industry, contractors can build strong relationships and enhance their reputations for professionalism. Do communicate clearly and regularly. Effective communication is a cornerstone of excellent customer service for contractors. Keeping clients informed about project progress, potential issues, and timelines can prevent misunderstandings and build trust. Always be clear, concise, and proactive in your communications. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. Setting realistic expectations is crucial. Avoid making promises you cannot keep, as this can damage your credibility and client trust. Delivering on your commitments is fundamental to maintaining a positive reputation in the field of contracting. Do respect clients' property. Respecting the client's property demonstrates professionalism and courtesy. Contractors should ensure that work areas are clean and organized and take care to protect the client's belongings throughout the project. This attention to detail is a key aspect of exceptional service. Don't ignore feedback. Listening to and acting on client feedback is essential. Ignoring feedback can lead to dissatisfaction and harm your professional relationship. Contractors should seek to understand and address any concerns clients may have to improve the overall service experience. Do present yourself professionally. First impressions matter. Dressing appropriately and maintaining a professional demeanor can set the tone for your interactions with clients. This not only reflects well on you as a contractor, but also reinforces the quality of your work and service. Don't be unreliable. Reliability is a key component of contractor etiquette. Missing deadlines, failing to show up on time, or not following through on promises can erode client trust. Consistency and dependability are crucial for fostering strong, long-term client relationships. Do provide detailed estimates and contracts. Providing thorough and transparent estimates and contracts helps to set clear expectations from the start. Contractors should include all relevant details about costs, timelines, and project scope to prevent any confusion or disputes later on. For contractors, adhering to these professional etiquette guidelines is instrumental in delivering exceptional customer service. By focusing on clear communication, respecting client property, listening to feedback, and presenting yourself professionally, you can establish a reputation for reliability and excellence in the contracting industry.